Guys, when I tell you that tickets are flying out the door for the event on November 26th in the early morning, I'm telling you, go get your ticket. I really want to encourage you to accept my invitation and be a part of this wonderful event. Again, just a quick recap. This is just a quick little video to let you know, look, tickets are flying out the door. There's only 100 seats available total. I don't know how many went so far, but they're just going. Every day people are grabbing these tickets because what we're going to do, it's November 26th, right? That's a Thursday. It falls on Thanksgiving this year. And November 26th is also my birthday. It's my Earth Day. And so what we're going to do first is give thanks and praises to the ancestors. We're going to do an ancestors recognition to start the day off. It's going to be an early morning event, so it's going to be really peaceful. We're going to create a sacred space, and we're going to do, a couple things. And one of them is give thanks and praises to the ancestors in our own ways. Then we're going to move into a gratitude workshop that will be that we will meditate first and then get into the gratitude workshop. And that's going to be for a specific reason. I'm going to do a very specific type of meditation called the meditation of the heart with you. And then we are going to move into the gratitude workshop where you'll be able to create a gratitude statement, which is something that's really powerful. And I'm not going to explain it because I really want you to experience it for yourself. It's going to be awesome sauce. And it's going to help you with that spiritual inner shift that happens when you can be in a state of gratitude instead of a state of comparison and other things like that. And last but not least, we are going to hear some of my story and how gratitude has changed my life, and then go into an open discussion, spirit-driven Q&A, where this is not your regular Q&A at the end of an event where you just ask physical, questions about like the how and the when and the why of certain things, and you want a logical answer that explains it all the way. This spirit-driven Q&A is going to be more so about expanding your consciousness, expanding your connection with, and expanding your knowledge of a couple things. One is God. We got to start there. We got to build that connection. We got to build momentum, and we have to release any limiting beliefs that say I can't connect with that higher power. The second thing we're going to connect to is ancestors, and last but not least, you'll have to connect with yourself. And so the event again on November 26th is called What is Gratitude? Who are the ancestors and who are you? And I can't wait for you to get your ticket. Bring a loved one. Get 3 tickets. Okay, 1 for you, 2 for 2 loved ones. And invite them along. It's going to be a virtual event on a Zoom call. That's why there's only 100 seats available, because with my level of Zoom, there's only 100 seats that I can give. And so get your ticket. Where do you get your ticket? At ufuluchild.com/register. ufuluchild.com/register, REGISTER. And that's where you can get your ticket. You can also get, loads of more information about what exactly we're doing, who exactly I am, and all of these things on that page, ufuluchild.com/register. Can't wait to see you there. Peace and love, always, in all ways.